My name is Selina and today I want to teach my mother how to make a dalgona iced coffee. Okay, let's start, Mom. The ingredients are 2 spoons coffee, 2 spoons sugar, warm water, a mug milk, ice, and some decorations. First, please put the coffee in the bowl.
Okay, I put the coffee here.
And now put the 2 spoons sugar, or 3.
1,
2,
2, 3.
3. Okay. And 4 spoons, 4 spoons water. And okay, now mix it.
Can I have the mixer?
Yes, sure. Mix it until you have an hell brown cream. You need to put more water.
Warm water or cold?
Warm water. And now we need to mix it with a spoon.
Let me mix it.
Okay. We have a
Brown
hell brown
cream.
cream. Okay, now put the mixer back here. Okay, now we need the milk and we put the cream here in the milk. Okay, Mom, please put it in the milk. Also,
And the ice.
and ice, but please mix it. Mix. Okay, now put the ice. Some cubes. 2, 3. No, it's okay. And the decorations. We have here an umbrella. And it is done.
It's time to taste it. Very good. Oops. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, bye.
Bye.